Hello, in front of me I've got Canon EOS. In this video I'll show you how to connect microphone. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of your camera. Right here we've got this cap. Open it, and under this cap you can find micro jack. Connect your microphone to this jack. And next, take a look at the top of your camera. Right here we've got another cap we can slide off. And next we can install our microphone on this part. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.